Hey, hi there. No, 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 no grammar. No grammar. I have been telling in all my videos that if you want to speak confidently and fluently, studying that boring, monotonous grammar is not going to help you. I know many of you have tried with this, and I know that there are thousands of videos on YouTube that are talking about grammar and perfection. Here I'm going to give you a natural method used by small children to develop their grammar. Have you seen small children? I mean, how naturally they absorb the language, how naturally they speak. Do they study grammar? Do they know all the tenses? No. But have you observed that they are like a sponge when it comes to language? They just absorb the language. That is called as implicit learning. Implicit learning. And that's what I'm going to teach you guys, how to develop your language naturally without bringing that artificial grammar in that, and develop a language naturally. Implicit learning. Now here you have to understand, you have to use this technique. Okay, this three-step method, three-step formula I'm going to give you. Now see, what happens is, many a times we don't have a speaking partner to speak, and that's a big hurdle, because if you don't have a speaking partner, I mean, how are you going to develop? Only listening and only reading is not going to help you. You need a speaking partner, and for that, use this technique. Okay, see here. Take any video or any podcast also. Video is better, and use the imitation technique. Imitation means what? Copy. This does not mean that copy word by word. No. Three-step method, I said. Three-step method. Suppose you're watching a video, and in that character is saying that, today I'm very annoyed with my father. He's irresponsible and very strict. He never loved me. Got it? Just understand. Now, pause it. Pause here. And now, what to do? Repeat this. Imitate this. How to say? His dad is irresponsible. His dad, we can say, is very strict. Don't copy each and every word. His dad maybe doesn't love him. Got it? His dad. Okay? He's just small. Step one, this is. Collect only small phrases out of it. Clear? Step two now. In the step two, what you have to do is, you have to get the idea out of it. Now how? The same situation. I think you have to talk, okay? Talk back. Talk back to the screen. I think, let us call him Sachin. Sachin's dad is very strict, very irresponsible, and we can say very arrogant also. He doesn't love his child, I think. He is only focused on his own career and never helps his son. That's the reason why his son is behaving or accusing him in this way. Getting it? Got it? This is the idea. Just take an idea. First, take some phrases. Second step, get an idea. And third now. Now, the same video, if you're watching, suppose a person, Sachin, is talking about his father. Now listen to him entire for 5, 6, 7 minutes. Got it? Note down the points, what he's saying. Suppose he's saying that his dad is irresponsible, his dad doesn't love him, his dad is very strict, he punishes, he never takes his homework, and blah, 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 blah. Written all these things. Now, step 3. Step 1, I told you, small phrases. Step 2, idea. Step 3, long speech. Look at the screen and give a speech like this. It seems that Sachin's father is completely irresponsible person. Not only that, he is very strict also and unkind to his son. He has never attended his gatherings or any sports event. He's very strict. He punishes his child. So overall, it seems that Sachin's dad is not a very kind and a very ideal parent. I think he should mend his ways. I think he should change himself. Got it? This is a long speech. Wait. Do not think about any perfection or accuracy. Just go and deliver like a baby. Do it. And then see the change in you. You will see a very positive change in your confidence. And here there is no one to judge you. There is no one to criticize you or laugh at your English. You have a screen only. Getting it? Getting it? This is the way you have to absorb. This is called as a very effective implicit learning method. Imitation technique, implicit learning, like child learns implicitly, not explicitly. He doesn't think about my language, the sentences, tenses, nothing. He just goes and opens up and speaks. How is this? Nice. This is called as natural way of developing your language, not that old monotonous grammar way. So now wait, your task is go and find such a video where a story is told by someone and use 3 steps. I want to remind again. First, just repeat the phrases he's using. Second step, the idea of the talk. And third is a long talk. Got it? Come on. He can, we can, we all will do it. You don't need a speaking partner. Your laptop, your mobile will be your speaking partner. Okay? Best wishes. Bye-bye.